Hey everyone, I'm Tim Townley, and today what we're going to be doing is answering a question that I got on one of my comments for one of my previous videos. Now this one is about the Taotronic 2-in-1 adapter. This is a great little Bluetooth device. You could use it as a transmitter or a receiver, and you can, well, now I've discovered you can transmit from one to the other back and forth. So we're gonna look at that today and see how that works and how this can work for Jake and whoever else is trying to do the same thing. First, Jake's question is, how can I use my H6 to let my audio person listen to the audio and then also transmit that audio from the H6 to his headphones wirelessly using two of these Taotronic adapters? You're going to take your H5, H6, H3, H4n, and you're going to turn it on. Once that's turned on, you're going to take your audio splitter, plug it into the headphone jack here, right here. Make sure the volume is turned on both sides if you have a volume toggle. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your headphones, plug that in, test to make sure the sound works. And right now there should be no sound because on the H4n, I don't know if it is on the H6, but you have to press record twice in order for you to get recording happening. And now I can hear. Next, you're gonna take one of your Taotronics and you're gonna make sure it's put onto transmit. So all it is that setup there. Now, in order to get the transmitter to transmit, we're gonna have to pair them together. So I'm gonna put this down for a second, and I'm gonna get my other headphones. These are already wireless, but actually, let's take the ones that are not wireless. I got a pair of old Beats here, and we're gonna put the other one, the other Taotronic adapter, into the bottom there. Make sure that the switch on the bottom is set to receive the RX, so that's on. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get both of the Taotronic adapters. So you just press on both of them and hold. And what's gonna happen is they're gonna start flashing, and it looks like they connected already, because I did this earlier, so it's pretty easy to connect. But if it doesn't happen right away, it'll flash blue and red until they connect, and then it's a solid blue color on them. So now if I take out these earbuds and put in my headphones, and I go like this, test, test, test. Yep, and it works. So there is a bit of a delay. The delay is maybe about 1 second. So if that's not an issue, then it should work just fine. Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't use this for editing audio or anything like that if you want to match it up with video. But yeah, if you want to get some levels and stuff like that, you can do it this way. actually, before I finish, I'm gonna try doing it to these ones, see how that works. These are the Sony Hear On 3s. Yeah, works perfect. No issues whatsoever. So you could do this with a pair of Bluetooth headphones, but I don't know why you would. So you can actually take these out. So if you want to connect to a pair of Bluetooth headphones, it's a little bit easier, it should be, than having to connect to one of these with a non-pair of Bluetooth headphones. So what you can do is actually, you're going to take your Taotronic, you're going to press and hold until it goes to a blue and red flashing. So it's flashing blue, and we are going to turn this on, pressing and holding on the Bluetooth power button until it says Bluetooth connecting. Oh, and it connected right away. As soon as it connected, it turned to blue. So now if I check here, yep, and it's working. No problem. Let's turn up the volume a little bit so I can hear it. Turn up the volume here. And this one actually, test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3. This is a lot less delay actually when you're using a pair of Bluetooth headphones versus using a second Taotronic. The delay, test 1, 2, 3. It's almost immediate. There is like a slight delay, but very little. So if that's what you want to do, then that's even a better option than going with two Taotronic. But if that's your only option, these are a very cheap device, inexpensive, and but very well built and work great. So the links will be all in the description below if you want to take a look at these and see what their current prices are. Yeah, check them out. I bought two, and so far they've come in really handy. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye for now.